Did we make an impromptu episode of Two Human People?
Yep.
Blue sky. Look at all that.
And you know what you can't see? The lack of a high dew point.
Oh yeah. The fact that it feels good.
Yeah, the fact that I don't hate being outside.
Yeah. Outside.
Although you might be able to see it on my face. We're at Anderson Point Park.
Sorry, I was looking for it on your face.
Scenic overlook in Raleigh. I'm gonna have to check this out. We don't know where the scenic overlook is. We've come to new signs, but no continuing signs about where the scenic overlook is.
Are we part of the art experiment?
I'm not sure if it's an art experiment or if it's just a clever bench.
But now with us on it, we're art.
All I know is I can sit with my back straight.
But I can't see you.
Do you have to?
I'd like to. Dog.
Another sign lacking the direction for the scenic overlook, but I'm going to use my deductive reasoning skills and think that because there wasn't a scenic overlook at the cottage and there wasn't a scenic overlook at the restrooms and there wasn't a scenic overlook at the playground, although you kind of looked over the playground, so I'm going to go with Moose River.
Also, a restroom is not a scenic overlook.
Not with that attitude. The key to good branding is to choose a name and to stick with it. And to be super clear, have a clear call to action so people know exactly what to do and where to go and what choice to make to benefit your brand. I think we found it. It's at the top of this bridge looking thing. There's a little porch.
Overlook.
Deck.
You might call it an overlook.
I'll be the judge on that.
It looks overlooky.
We'll see.
Totally afraid of dropping my phone.
Of all the scenic overlooks in North Carolina, this is among the least. But we had limited options for where we could go today for reasons that are none of your business. And so it'll do. Afraid of Heights challenge. I'm afraid of heights and I'm crossing this bridge because I told myself I would do more things that challenge my anxiety. And it's okay, at least the walls are high. My husband's filming. I don't know if he filmed me or he just cares about the bridge.
Both.
Okay. Okay, I'm almost done with the bridge, and actually now that I'm almost at the end, I feel okay. It's like the time in 2015 where I took like 6 flights, and by the last one I was like, okay, fine. I'm okay with this. Oh wait, new part of the bridge. I don't like this. Again, this is what it feels like. Who deal with your anxiety? But I like to stop being afraid of things that clearly other people pass every day and stay alive, so. I crossed it, now I have to cross it again.
Back over.
Anxiety release. Feels better. Are you proud of me for crossing the bridge?
I'm very proud of you for crossing the bridge. It's a very strange bridge and it's kind of high, so you did good.
Correct.
What does it all mean? She did her brave attempt at crossing the bridge, and now she had to just get off the bridge as fast as possible.
You have to watch out for bikers out here. There's a ton of them, and only a couple of them say on your left like Captain America.
But we appreciated it.
There's a rooster crowing at 3:21 in the afternoon. Maybe it's on a delayed sleep phase like I am.
Maybe it's some guy out there just practicing his Peter Pan.
To be like a voice actor.
He's gonna be like, Rufio.
Like, I hate to break it to you, dude, but I'm pretty sure they have stock sounds for that in Hollywood.
I think it's a real
I think it's a real rooster.
non-human rooster.
Non-human rooster.
Yeah. Pretty sure it's a non-human rooster.
Rare to come across.
Yeah. Wait, am I doing a joke or are you doing a joke?
You're doing the joke. It was your joke.
Oh.
I already stole one of your jokes.
We're doing some off-roading. Make sure you flip on your 4x4 mode. We have 4 feet, so we got them on. All 4 feet are on the floor, ground, grass.
This park is right next to 540.
Huh?
And there's 2 shelters with shindigs going on.
What?
This is our view from the swinging bench. Could be worse, could be better.
Soprano's Italian restaurant. Why do I get the feeling that there's a cease and desist letter coming soon?